Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the video or trim the video. So first of all, let's get the video on the Capcut. So here is my video. So I'll get that on the down on the edit section. So first of all, there is a one way to edit the video, that is, so we just slide the bar like this from the front or the end, and we can export the video. Also, we can trim the video in the middle of the section as well. So first of all, move the cursor in between this, and then if you want to split from here, just click on the split button, and another split if you want to do over here or somewhere, just click another split, then select the portion, and then either hit the delete button from here or just hit the button from the keyboard. So I'll just delete this portion, and this is gone. If you want to make another split, just click on the split and then drag the cursor, make another split. So this is the another portion, so we can just right click, delete, it is gone. So once you trim the video, you can easily export the video. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe button, and leave some comment for me. Thank you.